Hello friends, welcome back to Calls and Puts with another video in the series of basics of stock market. Today we'll discuss about the top technical indicators used during the trading. So there are thousands of indicators have been derived from different mathematical calculations and used for trading purpose. Basically, these technical indicators are mathematical calculation of past price data represented in graphical form. So let's understand some popular indicators used during the trading. So first one is volume. Second one is moving average. So it can be simple moving average or exponential moving average. Third one is MACD, moving average, convergence and divergence. Fourth one is RSI, relative strength index. Fifth one is BB, that is Bollinger Bands. Next is VWAP, volume weighted average price, and last one is super trend. So I have just considered some popular indicators here. So some of them are trend indicators, some of them are momentum indicators, and some of them are volatility indicators. So let's understand these on charts. Okay, friends. So we are on our Zerodha platform, and I have opened HDFC Bank chart. So you can find these indicators in studies section. So if we click on these studies and if we click our first indicator, that is volume, you can see there are different volume related indicators available. So we'll click on volume chart. So basically now in the bottom section you can see this red and green candles. So basically this one candle in the bottom shows the volume generated in the stocks for that specific period. Suppose now we are seeing 1 day chart. So for this one candle of 1 day, it is showing the volume on that day. So basically, these volume indicators use for the trading purpose to check whether if there is a breakout or breakdown in stock. So if that has been happened with big volumes or not, because generally the breakout or a breakdown without volume becomes a breakout. So we need to check the volume of the stocks during that kind of trading also. Okay, so now let's move to our next indicator, that is moving average. So we'll remove this volume, then we'll click here and type moving average. So you can see moving average deviation, moving average envelope, rainbow moving average. So as I told you, there are thousands of indicators available. So we'll click on this moving average. So it is now going to the setting. So it's showing the period. So basically period is the time frame of the chart. Suppose we are now we're seeing 1 day charts. So this moving average is the average of the 50 1 day candles. So that way. So just don't change any setting, just we need to change this period. Suppose if you want to have this 50 day 200 days, 5 days, or 10 period moving average, so that way, and you can mark different colors for the different averages. Okay, so now you can see we have applied this moving average on the chart. So basically moving average is a trend defining indicator. So it shows the trend. Suppose if we go this, so it is showing a nice uptrend in this chart. So many traders use this moving average to define the entries and exits as well. So another part is that some of the traders also use um, crossover of different moving average. Suppose now we add one more uh, moving average here. Suppose we select this moving average and we'll add 200 days moving average now, and we'll make the color of 200 days, that is black. This black is 200 days moving average and red is this 50-day moving average. So for long term trading, many traders use this 200 moving average as a benchmark, because price needs to be above. If you are selecting any stock for the long term trading, then it should be trading above this 200 moving average. So if you can see at the crossover of this moving average, whenever there is a crossover on this moving average, we can find a good trading opportunity, whether it is upward or downward. So that way this moving average works. So we'll understand in separate video, because moving average is also very detailed topic to discuss. So we'll discuss this separately. And what is the, so now this is a simple moving average, and one more moving average, that is exponential moving average. Suppose if you want this exponential moving average, we need to go to its settings. So you can see there type of moving average. So if you click on this, now it is a simple, it is a exponential. So just make it exponential, you will get exponential moving average. So now this 200 moving average is exponential moving average. So what is the difference between simple and exponential moving average? In exponential moving average, the mathematical calculation has more weightage to recent candles. So this is the basic difference between simple and exponential moving average. So we can use any one of these. That doesn't make much difference in trading, whether it is a simple moving average or exponential moving average. Next is MACD. So we'll type here MACD. So there are two different types of MACD. One is MACD and MACD divergence. So we'll see this MACD. So in this MACD, this black line is called as signal line, and this red line is MACD line. So basically, traders use this crossovers. So suppose this signal line, that is black line, whenever cross this MACD line, that is red line, there is a buying opportunity in the market, and whenever it shows crosses this MACD line, that is signal line, crosses this MACD line, so there is a selling opportunity. So you can see that on chart. So now let's move to next indicator, that is RSI. So RSI is relative strength index, as we have discussed. So let me again zoom out. So if you can see, basically RSI is ranging between 0 to 100. So we can add one more line, that is 50%. So most of the traders use, whenever these RSI lines move above this 50% level, that is center line, so, there is a buying opportunity in the market. Whenever it crosses 70% level, stock has gone into overbought region, and whenever it crosses 30% level, stock is at oversold region. So it's not every time applicable, because after 70% region also it can rise to 90% or 100%, and from 30% it can rise to 20% or fall to 10% as well. Next is Bollinger Band. So we need to use these Bollinger Bands. Okay. So now you can see when there is one envelope moving across the price. So basically, this Bollinger Band is a volatility indicator. It shows the upper and lower range of the price during that period. So this is the upper line and this is the lower line, and center line you can see that is 20 moving average. So whenever the market is range bound, this Bollinger Band shows contraction, and so you can see on the chart. Okay, so you can see in this region markets are sideways, and there is not a much fluctuation in the price. So there we can see the contraction in the Bollinger Band. So whenever the price cross this lower band or upper band, we can see the volatility in the market, and price are moving either in lower direction or upper direction. We can use this to check upper and lower price band for any stock during any period. Okay, so next is VWAP, that is volume weighted average price. VWAP. So we have applied this VWAP, but we cannot see any indicator, because we are seeing the daily chart, and VWAP is the intraday indicator. So we need to reduce this time frame less than 1 day. Suppose now, so let's open 15 minutes chart. So you can see now we are seeing this red line, that is VWAP indicator. So we can change the color in the settings as per your preference. So basically, VWAP is the volume weighted average price of any stock or security. So whenever the price is above this VWAP line, we can find the buying opportunity, and whenever the price is below this VWAP line, we need to find the selling opportunity in the market during intraday. So basically, VWAP is the intraday indicator used by the traders. Okay, next and last is super trend. So we'll remove this VWAP and we'll add super trend. So as name suggests, super trend indicator is basically a trend indicator, and you can see whenever this price moves above this super trend line, it turns green, and there is a buying opportunity in the market. And whenever the price closes below this line, there is a selling opportunity in the market. So you can see here. So this the trend was positive at this period, and once it price closes below the super trend turn from green to red, and you can see the nice fall in the stock. So basically this is a trend indicator. Okay friends, so I have quickly tried to cover up these few basics and popular top technical indicators in short, because if we discuss each indicator in detail, video will be very lengthy. So we'll definitely take this uh, indicator series separately on each indicator, and we'll discuss the implementation of these indicators. So just one point, so indicators cannot be used in isolation. So isolation means you cannot use only volume or moving average together to define the trade. So basically, uh, for the finding the trading opportunity, we need to combine at least two indicators together, and based on that, any trading strategies should be developed to avoid any false signals by the indicators. Okay friends, that's it for today. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, keep learning. Friends, keep watching this channel, and please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.